Welcome back, guys, to a very hot sunny South Florida day. We're doing something super sketch. As you see, we got to get the fuel tank from under here for the problem child.
I don't even want to talk about it.
Yep. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. It is what it is. We got to get it from under there. Can't really pull it out. We put one wheel back on, but it's too much work to try and pull it out right now. So we're just gonna jack it up, get under there, pull this tank out, and have fun in the meantime, because it's gonna be a whole lot cooler under the car than it is outside of it, as you see by the sweat glistening off my very hot forehead. Alright, so I ain't feeling too much because this car is a pain, and like I said, it's pretty sketchy. Got the tank out. It's pretty sketchy, but now we're gonna pull it around front and do it all again on the other car. As you guys see, excuse the guy for cutting the grass. Unfortunately I can't control that, but messing with the problem child again. We got the backup because we got to change the gas tank. So let's get to it. Let's get under here and get it going. It's just so much fun. So much fun. Alright, so as you see,
Much cleaner.
we are under the car, getting ready to drop the tank. It's only 3 bolts that hold these tanks up. 3 12mm bolts, and then it's finding everything else in between.
Dang, that came off easy. Bolt?
No idea.
That's 2.
Now we need to go up top.
Do this quick.
Then push it a little bit.
So you want me to hold this or no?
No, you can look at that. This one.
Okay.
Should have did this in the beginning, but it is what it is. Disconnect these lines.
Now my duct tape special.
Go get the Phillips. Oh shoot.
Bless you. Hey, so does this mean I won't need the tape anymore? You.
Oh. Hold on. Alright, you can let it down. Alright, so we got that free. Yeah. So as you guys see, the tank is down and we're bringing it out. Push.
Clips.
Turn it.
Huh?
What clips?
For the little screws.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Turn it.
Alright. Strip.
Alright, now
Change the.
yeah, give me the fuel tank too. And for any guys changing their fuel pumps, if you haven't changed it or you don't know if it's been changed, go to Mazda, buy this fuel tank ring. It's gonna save you a lot of time and a lot of headache. Trust me.
I don't know how this works. So I'll let you guys.
So this is why I said make sure you get a ring, because this is the other tank we're putting in. Granted, we won't be using this, but you see that? You might not be able to see it, but I'll get a little closer once I get it off. But that line is a crack. These are known to crack in the car, let alone when you take it out. So I'll show you the rest when I get it out. Still got to swap the tank over, but here you go. The black line I was telling you about. See if I can open it up. That's a crack. You can see you got it on the right angle. That is a crack.
Through and through.
So that's why I tell you guys, change them. gas tank back here. He's gonna have to loop his heater core hoses.
That's to be determined.
I'm not doing it. I'm tired.
Come on.
You're on your own.
Damn. That's fucked up.
No, that is life. That is life when you have a one-off manifold that doesn't give you easy access.
This shit is not my fault.
So the heater, look at that wastegate in the way.
Bruh. None of that is my fault.
Whose car is it?
You know what?
I thought so. Not his fault, but it's his car. He had the choice in all of his parts. But
I was budget building towards the end.
budget building. Should have bought a Honda.
Stupid fucking heater hose.
But thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe for more content
As
of
always.
the problem child. And my block should be done soon. And I should be getting back up and going. And then I've got other things coming soon, as you see.